Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unsubscribe from the DramaBox app from your phone. Let's get started. First, open the settings app on your phone. Once you are on your settings, tap at the very top, tap your Apple ID name. That's the section with your photo and image. Now tap on subscriptions. This will show you a list of all the apps you are paying for with your Apple account. Scroll through the list and look for DramaBox. When you see it, tap on it. Here you will see details about your plan like monthly or yearly billing. Tap cancellation at the bottom, then confirm by tapping confirm with Apple asks you. Once it cancelled, you will still have access until the end of your billing period, but you won't be charged again. To be safe, check your subscription list again. DramaBox should now show expires on instead of renewing. And that's it, you have successfully unsubscribed from DramaBox on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.